All right, guys, we're going to be doing a industrial gutter job on this one. So I have a length gutter here, pre-made, and all we have to do is put the ends on here. Today we're going to cut out the hole for the downspout, the downspout connector, and I do have the two lengths of downspout right there for the building. So I'll get back with you guys. All right, these are the parts. This is a sleeve that you connect two pieces of gutter with. This is the downspout connector. Okay, we have two end caps. We have two end caps each. We have righty and lefty. Okay, with this job, I'm going to be using gutter nails and also gutter screws, because when that ice builds up on these gutters, it gets so heavy you can break them, snatch them right down off the wall. These are gutter anchor bolts that connects to the gutter, and it connects the gutter to the wall. This is right here, I call this a Y, because why else wouldn't I? It's shaped like a Y, and I can have two pieces go right down in here from two different spots. Okay, next we have roofing cement inside of a caulking gun, and with that I'll be sealing up the cracks inside the gutters around the caps, so water won't be coming out of those. And we have some gutter screws, 8 by 12 inch gutter screws, stainless steel, that's waterproof, and 2 elbows, so we can connect those big downspouts and get them running right down into the drain. So that's what we have today, guys. That's all the parts, and let's get to the labor. Okay, let's put these end caps on here. Get it prepped up for before we go to the job. Okay. End cap goes up. We're going to do that for both ends. Get back with you. Okay, let's do the right side. Just like that. All right, guys, let's cut that circle out. We're going to be using the grinder today, and we'll just pop that out and pop that new piece in there. we have a downspout. Okay, we put some silicone on that downspout so we won't have any water leaking or issues on that. So it looks like we're gonna be looking good. I'm gonna have this up in one day, in a few hours, and they'll be satisfied. All right, guys, I'll bring you back to the construction part of the job. Okay, guys, we just put the gutter brackets in. I have 4 of those gutter brackets. And in between each gutter bracket and before, I'm gonna put a gutter screw. So I'm gonna put a gutter screw here. I'm gonna put a gutter screw here in the center of that. That counteracts with the weight. Gonna put a gutter screw here. I'm gonna put a gutter screw here and one here. And I probably could do 2 gutter screws in between, especially in the center, to reinforce that. And I could put 2 gutter screws in between all of them. So that's what we're gonna do. Put 2 gutter screws as a better reinforcement all the way down the gutter. All right, guys, I'm finished prepping the gutters. So we have the gutter clips ready to go. All I have to do is set this up against the wall, up against the drip edge, and mount it. We got the gutter mounting screws in. So what I'm going to do tomorrow is, if you see, I got them going all the way down. It's going to be very strong. Gutter clips are in, gutter screws are in.